In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate deleted Snapchat account 2025, step by step. Before we begin, a quick heads up about timing. Snapchat gives you a 30-day window after you request deletion to change your mind. Within that period, your account is simply deactivated, not permanently erased. If you're still inside those 30 days, reactivating is quick and straightforward. If more than 30 days have passed, the account is typically gone for good, so this process won't work. Let's walk through what to do. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection because a weak signal can interrupt the process or slow it down. If the app has been sitting unused for a while, it can also help to close and reopen it so it refreshes cleanly. Next, log in using your username and your password. It's important to use the same username and the correct password you had before you deleted the account. Once you enter those details and sign in, Snapchat begins reactivating your account automatically. You may see a brief message indicating that the account is being restored. That's normal. Give it a little time to finish. Your friends list, your profile details, and your conversations may not all appear instantly. It can take a few minutes for everything to fully restore on the server side and sync to your device. During this time, avoid logging out or force closing the app. Just let it sit for a bit while the data catches up. As the reactivation completes, you should notice your profile information, streak indicators, and previous chats repopulating. If something seems missing right away, don't panic. Refreshing the app or simply waiting a couple of minutes usually does the trick. Different parts of your account may return at slightly different times as Snapchat finishes processing the reactivation. If you run into an error while trying to sign in, the most common causes are being outside the 30-day window, typing the wrong username or password, or having a spotty connection. Double check your login details, confirm you're within the time frame, make sure you're connected to a reliable network, and then try again. Minor delays are normal, especially if you haven't accessed the account for a while. That's all there is to it. Open the Snapchat app, log in with your username and password, and your account reactivates automatically. Be patient for a few minutes while everything restores, and you'll be back to snapping like before. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your account smoothly.